See? Okay, go.
Oh, this roof looks fine.
Oh wow, that box, like a pool box, is like blowing against us.
There's another house with shingles gone. And that one too. Oh. Double check. I think that's fine. They lost their light.
There, David, get that tree.
Yeah, I know.
I should have brought the still camera. You could take some pictures like of that tree and stuff. I don't think these people have power. Oh yeah, they do.
Did you see the podium right there?
Pretty loud,
They lost their...
Scatter.
Look, and then there's just that little bit holding on.
They're saying.
Mother peanut butter. That's what? John peanut butter.
Wow, look at that big old pot. Turned over.
You would have had to just leave it up there. No one up there.
Yeah. And bricks.
Dude, I think they park their cars not parked for clothes. It's like, when they have other cars like that.
I don't know.
I think they think it's up.
Look, they boarded up that truck.
Yes, they did, man.
Why would you board up your house? Because then you can't get out. How would you get out after you
Look at that big old
boarded
Jeep.
your door?
Yeah, I see it, David.
Huh?
That'd be bad.
Yeah, but what if you boarded that one too?
Look at that shed. Comes over. Up there.
Look, all those shingles and then their little benchy fell over.
Someone lost a lot of shingles there. All their trees gone. Can't see much around here.
That guy's tall.